Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to top up your Alipay and your WeChat wallet without using Chinese bank card. And this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on send right here. So first thing first, I'm going to top up my WeChat wallet. So I'm going to make sure I click on here. Now select WeChat. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then I'll select personal account. And I have to scroll down right here and make sure I click on select keep out image. I'm going to go to my file manager. Then from my images right here, I will simply go ahead and search for my WeChat payment code. So here we go. This is my WeChat wallet. I'll click on done. Now you have it update right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. And I'm going to select my wallet and have to click on here now and enter the amount I need in WeChat. So I need 100 yuan in WeChat. And I'm paying the sum of 22,000 naira to get this in my WeChat wallet. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue. Review everything right here. Click on here to pay now. Then click on pay now. Then here, enter your payment password. Click on proceed. Successfully created a RMB transaction. I'll click on done right here. By the time I refresh my balance, the wallet is going to be reduced, just like what you see right here. And I have my WeChat wallet pending. Let's go ahead and see how we can top up our Alipay. For that, click on send again. Then by default, it's already in Alipay. And I click on here to choose personal. And I scroll down right here. I click on here to select the hard code image. My file manager. And I'll go ahead and search for my Alipay payment code. So here we go. This is my Alipay payment code. I'll click on done. Then I have it right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to continue. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select my wallet. Select my Naira wallet. Then I have to come here and enter the amount I want in Alipay. So I need 600 Alipay. For 600 Alipay, I'm paying the sum of this. So for 600 Alipay, I'm paying the sum of this. Next thing I need to do is to click on continue. And I scroll down right here and make sure I click on pay. And I click on pay now. Then I enter my payment password. Finally, click on proceed. You have successfully created a RMB transaction. Click on done. By the time I refresh, my wallet is going to be drastically reduced, just like what you see right here. So here we go. Now, I have this in Alipay pending, this in WeChat Pay pending. After a manual review, this transaction will be credited to my Alipay and this will be credited to my WeChat wallet.